They are not providing winter holidays right now. That's one of the drawbacks that we cannot go to our home in New Year.
That lunch timing is, for half an hours only, so it should be exceeded by the, authority, because they are very supportive. They are supporting at each and every stages, so there is nothing any drawback.
So आप लोगों ने क्या दिमाग में रख के MBA चूज करा था? Just give an honest answer. That's all. So hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. मैं प्रताप तिवारी and you guys are watching my YouTube channel. So guys, अभी हम लोग लॉयड में, यहाँ पे हमारे साथ में कुछ MBA के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो उनसे बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि MBA के रिगार्डिंग उनका लॉयड का कैसा रिव्यू है, क्या वो लोग यहाँ पे सेटिस्फाइड है या फिर उन्हें कोई दिक्कतें, कोई परेशानी वो लोग फेस कर रहे हैं. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. तो गाइस मतलब आप इंट्रो दे दो एक बार.
So hello, I am Ashmita Pandey
and I am Amya Pandey.
So guys बात करते हैं स्टूडेंट इंटेक के बारे में कि आपके बैच में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, टोटल MBA में कितनी सीट्स हैं यहाँ पे.
There are approx 300 plus students right now and 300 plus seats as well.
Okay. So guys स्पेशलाइजेशन कौन-कौन सा लॉयड ऑफर करता है, लाइक टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पेशलाइजेशन जो यहाँ पे है.
There are various kind of specialization like 4 to 5, like HR, marketing, IB, IT and etc. finance as well. So as per your
what
choice.
about certifications? Like कितने certifications आप लोगों को कोर्स में मिलते हैं?
Yeah. There are various certification like some of the certification we have gotten in STTP, that is a financial based program,
Okay.
like digital marketing and others as well, like an entrepreneurship program and others.
So like I guess 5 to 6 certifications you guys are getting in
5 to
this.
6.
Okay, what about the facilities that you guys are getting in Lloyd? कुछ extra facility, classrooms कैसे हैं तुम्हारे?
Yeah, the classrooms are very nice. There are projectors and green boards, and the environment here is good, greenery environment. They also provide sports facilities, yoga, meditation.
Anything you want to add on in this
Yes,
thing?
yes, the classroom is very nice. The embrace of the classroom is literally awesome, and anyone can, teachers often taught us through the projection, so through the PDF, not through the boards. So it feels like, yeah, we are understanding each and every topic in the, attractive way. So that's
So what about industrial visits? Like कितने industrial visit आप लोगों को मिलते हैं एक साल के अंदर, एक semester के अंदर, कहाँ लेके जाते
in a
हो?
particular semester we got 2 to 3 industrial
2 to 3
visits.
nice,
Yes,
yeah.
in Coca-Cola, in Parle-G and various other like Bananas Dairy recently we have gone through.
Okay, what about faculties? Like कैसे faculties है? They are supportive, they are helping, जो पढ़ाते हैं समझ में आता हो.
Yes, faculties are very
रियलिटी
nice.
बताना यार, देखो चिल होके रियलिटी
Yes,
बताना.
yes, it's
कोई
the
issue हो तो.
reality. It's the fact that faculties are very supportive and very chill. They treat us like a friend, not just like a dominating faculty.
Okay.
So they often taught us in effective manner, and whatever doubts we have, we just go to them and we ask them anytime, because they already allow us to come to their cabin and ask them anything.
Okay, what about internship? Like you are getting internship from the Lord
Yeah,
itself, or you have to apply off campus.
Yeah, the college provides internship. Based on student, it's paid or non-paid. But yeah, the college provides the internship.
Yeah, they provides the internship to various students, means they all have the chance, but it's upon them how much effort they are putting on it and what either they are capable or not. So accordingly they get the internship. There could be both, either paid or non-paid as per your
Okay.
choice.
So after internship, the only thing which left is placement. So let's
Yes.
discuss about placements.
Yes.
So what about placements? Like you guys want to discuss anything about placements, like the median package, highest package, the major recruiters, like जो companies यहाँ पे mostly visit करती हो.
Okay. So as placement is said to be the very crucial factor of any of the
Exactly.
college, right? As we all know. So placement, our recent placement gone for the MBA is 15 lakh per annum. But average placement, I would say that 5 to 4 lakhs we can, assume that. So it's also upon the student.
Depend
that how
upon the
much,
student,
yeah,
like how much
how,
knowledge you have.
yes, how much effort they are putting.
Anything you want to add on in placements?
Yeah, it depends upon the student how they perform and how they give the interview. The company here are Mahindra, Amazon, Yamaha, and all.
Accenture, Geo, I guess
Yeah.
these are the companies mostly visiting here.
Yeah.
Okay. So everyone doesn't want to have a 9 to 5 job. कुछ लोग यार ऐसा होता है कि अपना स्टार्टअप करना है, अपनी चीजें बिल्ड करनी है. So Lloyd इसमें कैसे आप लोग की हेल्प करता है?
There is an incubation cell who teaches each and everything, that if someone is interested in entrepreneurship or they have any kind of creative idea or creative mindset, they can just join that incubation cell and learn much more about whatever they want to do further in the entrepreneurship.
Like Lloyd give any funding? Like आपका जो
Yes,
भी
yes.
आइडिया बहुत बढ़िया है, ठीक है?
Yes.
तो Lloyd से कुछ फंडिंग मिलती है उसको
Yes.
रियल लाइफ में कन्वर्ट करने
Yes.
के लिए.
Once we go to them and we tell them about each and every idea, whatever creative idea we have, then they firstly evaluate our idea that it is appropriate or not. After that they provide us the funding and proper investment if it is actually feasible. So
Okay, guys. So apart from studies, let's discuss about something extracurricular activities like student clubs. फेस्ट कैसे होते हैं यहाँ के? जैसे हम लोग ग्रेटर नोएडा में रह रहे हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत तगड़े तगड़े फेस्ट होते हैं यहाँ पे। और तुम्हारे में फेस्ट होते होंगे, तो कुछ उसके बारे में बताना चाहो?
Recently, we had Dandiya night and Diwali fest, and also there are various clubs: HR Training and Placement Club, Entrepreneurship Club, Finance Club. They conduct various activities. Recently, we had debate competitions, and from marketing cell also we had marketing competitions and.
Sports के regarding कुछ अगर sports facilities
Yeah,
हो यहाँ
there
पे?
is also sports club. There was a competition recently, tug of war and cricket competition. So they provide various facilities like these.
Okay. कुछ आप बताना चाहो?
yes, recently our one of the biggest fests, that is Catalyst 3.0 is coming, and much more fests that we have experienced right now, like Dandiya night, and as she already told, various events and fests we have gone through. So
Okay, so the main important thing which every student keep in mind is
yes,
fee.
yes.
Like what is the fee you guys are paying here for the MBA course?
Our fee structure was 325 something, and it could more as per the time, but recently it is 3 point.
जी ये बताओ मेरे को, जो भी फी होता है वो वेरी स्पेशलाइजेशन पे तो नहीं करता ना आप लोगों का,
Yes,
या फिर करता है?
no. If you have a core MBA, then it won't vary. But if you have some kind of specialization, then it might vary, because we have the core MBA with other specialization. It might vary. But
Okay.
right
So guys, आपने लॉयड क्यों चूज करा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ अदर कॉलेजेस? लाइक यहाँ का क्राउड कैसा आपको लगता है? क्योंकि देखो जैसे हम लोग ग्रेटर नोएडा में रह रहे हैं, ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्राउड कैसी है, यहाँ की बहुत सारी चीजें डिपेंड करती है।
Yes.
तो यहाँ का क्राउड कैसा आपको लगता है? लाइक स्टूडेंट्स अराउंड यू, दे आर स्टडिंग?
Yes, students around us, there could be more. Some of the studying, because everyone have different interests, right?
Mindset,
Some of the student might be interested in sports. Some of the student might be interested in studies. So it's totally depend upon them. But there is the studies environment, because everyone, this is called as knowledge park area. So everyone come here so for the knowledge. So I think this is the best area
I am
for
just
students.
talking about the quality of crowd that you guys are having in Lloyd. Like यहाँ के बच्चे कैसे हैं?
Yes, quality of crowd is totally appropriate, and they are gone through a study environment.
कुछ
So
ऐसा
it's
लड़ाई
appropriate.
झगड़ा होता हो यहाँ पे कैंपस में,
nothing
बाहर
like
में?
that. Nothing like that, and everything is good here, especially for girls. Environment is very much appropriate and soothing, as we are here, so we have experienced it as well.
अच्छा ये बताओ, कोई भी ऐसा इशू तुम लोगों ने फेस करा हो यहाँ पे? लाइक कभी भी कुछ भी स्टडी को लेके हो गया, टाइमिंग्स को लेके हो गया, एग्जाम्स को लेके, सिलेबस को, फैकल्टीज को, कुछ भी कोई ड्रॉबैक आप लोगों की नजरों में?
Yeah, they are not providing winter holidays right now. That's one of the drawbacks, that we cannot go to our home in New Year and Christmas.
बहुत
So
बड़ा ड्रॉबैक है यार, ये तो बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत हो गई।
that's one of the drawback.
अच्छा क्लास की टाइमिंग्स कैसी है आप लोगों की? कब से कब क्लासेस होती हैं?
It's 9:30 to 4:30.
एंड वीक में कितने क्लासेस होती हैं?
5 days,
5 days a week.
Monday to Friday.
अच्छा, कुछ ड्रॉबैक आपके पास?
Yes, I have one drawback, that lunch timing is, for half an hours only, so it should be exceeded by the, authorities.
There is drawback
And,
regarding faculty placement.
No, there's nothing any drawback, because as we are in, first year, so we can't say that faculties are not good, because they are very supportive. They are supporting at each and every stages. So there is nothing any drawback except the timing, lunch timing, and the holidays. Because although there are 2 holidays like Saturday and Sunday, and classes from the Monday to Friday, so it's all good, I think.
Okay, any sort of advice that you guys want to give to your juniors that they are coming in Lloyd?
Yeah, definitely. I only have one advice for all the juniors out there, that they must be prepared and they must be focused on their studies, not only studies, but together with that other co-curricular activity, just to enhance their skills as well for the future. Because you are not coming here only for studies, but you are also coming here just to learn lots of new skill and to get a lots of exposure. So I think you must be prepared for the various changes in yourself.
Any advice you want to give to juniors?
Yeah, studies obviously are primary thing, but you should also get involved in other activities which the college provide. It will enhance your personality and other. It will enhance your personality and will help you in future for your personal.
Okay, last question from my side. Why MBA instead of PGDM? Like market में सबसे ट्रेंड होता है PGDM चल रहा है, सब लोगों के दिमाग में PGDM चलता है. So आप लोगों ने क्या दिमाग में रख के MBA चूज करा था? Just give an honest answer. That's all.
So honest answer, I compared their syllabus, except for certification part, it's almost same. So and fees is also high, so I choose MBA.
So
MBA
fees
is also a degree, and PGDM is diploma course.
Diploma course. Okay. What about you?
Because my thinking was I was pre-planned about that, and I never changed with my plan, that because I wanted to pursue the degree, not the diploma. First factor is that, and second is that syllabus is almost same. Either we are studying the PGDM or MBA, both are equivalent. So why we have to switch to the PGDM while we are getting a degree, and after getting a degree we can also pursue other things like PhD at all. So that's why I chosen the MBA.
Okay. So guys, thank you so much for coming
Thank
here
you so
and give your
much
time.
for getting.
So thank you so much guys for watching this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो कर देना लाइक, कर देना सब्सक्राइब. बाकी कोई दिक्कत परेशानी आ रही थी आप आराम से हमसे कमेंट करके हमसे पूछ सकते हैं, या फिर जो स्क्रीन पर नंबर आ रहा है इससे आप डायरेक्टली हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. बाय बाय.